Hi, it's me again. It is July the 21st at 10:33 in the morning. It's been a while. I had a lot of stuff going on. Like as you can see, my finger, you kind of see it. I have two holes poking. I jammed in the door. Anyway, so it's been a while, so I'm getting back in action again. I just have on whatever I have on this morning because I know for me personally, if I have to go back in, change clothes, do other things, I'm going to forget or get unmotivated. I did have two scrambled egg with cheese and a Ration protein yoga. I am doing a Tai Chi exercise by Gentle Tai Chi Flow. It's called 12-minute daily Tai Chi workout, burn belly fat, lose weight, and feel 10 years younger. Um, I like this one just because Tai Chi is not as harsh on the body when it comes to bending legs. There's not a lot of jumping, but it also builds strength and lower the cortisol level versus increases. So I'm just gonna finish this one. It's about 12 minutes and that's it.
Fold. 3, 2, 1, go. Step your feet wide. Reach both arms overhead. Then bend your knees and fold forward while bringing both arms across your body. Activates the legs, hips, and core to increase calorie burn. Improves balance while releasing tension through the hips and back. Three, two, one, rest. Exercise 4. Squat, knee lift. 3, 2, 1, go. Bend both knees into a shallow squat. Reach both arms forward, then stand up and lift one knee toward your chest. Switch sides and continue. Squats and knee lifts keep the whole body active and support belly fat burning. Leg strength, balance, and coordination improve with every repetition. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 5. Wide squat hold. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand with your feet wide. Cross both arms in front of your chest. Then bend into a gentle squat and slowly rise. Activates the legs, hips, and core to increase calorie burn. Builds lower body strength while improving balance and stability. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 6. Open arm turn. 3, 2, 1, go. Stand tall. Open both arms at shoulder height. Then turn your body and lift both arms in a smooth arc. Switch sides. Supports full body fat burning through gentle rotation. Improves waist mobility, posture, and balance. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 7.
Ooh,
Overhead arm circle.
my arms. Can feel it in my arms.
2, 1, go. Reach one arm overhead while letting the other arm swing behind your body. Switch sides and continue. Keeps the body moving and supports steady calorie burn. Loosens the shoulders while improving posture. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 8. Wide knee, reach back.
I feel like giving up. This is only 8 out of 10.
1, go. Step wide, bend both knees. Place one hand on your knee reach the other arm behind you. Switch sides. Activates the hips, legs, and core together. Improves balance while releasing tension through the waist and lower back. 3, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 9, wide squat reach.
The camera
3,
decides to move
2,
around.
1, go. Stand with your feet wide, raise both arms overhead, then lower into a wide squat. Engages the whole body to increase calorie burn. Supports belly fat burning while improving hip mobility. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 10, front reach, heel lift. 3, 2, 1, go. Reach both arms forward, then swing them behind as you lift your heels. Keeps the whole body active and supports steady calorie burn. Strengthens the calves while improving balance and shoulder mobility. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 11, wide squat
Now, I
arm
could
swing.
cut out some of the moments, but I wanted to be
3,
realistic what I'm
2,
doing,
1,
and mistakes
go.
happen.
Step your feet wide. Swing both arms up. Bend into a squat. Then stand back up as your arms swing down. Activates large muscle groups for higher calorie burn. Strengthens the legs and core while improving stability. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 12, side lunge shift.
I always have trouble with this side lunge.
3,
Trying to
2,
figure out how to
1,
actually do it.
go. Step into a wide stance. Bend one knee to shift your weight, then switch sides. Supports belly fat burning through lower body movement. Improves hip mobility while strengthening balance. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 13,
I don't
overhead
know
heel
if
lift.
that one was the correct way
2,
to do
1,
it, but
go.
I tried.
Interlace your hands overhead, rise onto your toes, then lower your heels and arms. Raises calorie burn with a full body stretch. Improves balance while opening the shoulders and chest.
Since my other car accident, it has been really difficult to do certain
3,
movement.
2,
Like
1,
just working this
rest.
arm is really tiring.
Exercise 14,
But I'm just
arm
gonna
circles.
push through it because I know that it needs to be loosened
With my busy schedule.
and tighter. I'm not paying for the extra ad-free on YouTube, so there's an ad right now, and the ad is about 50 seconds. So in lieu of just taking another break, I am going to do some walking in place, help increase my heart rate a little bit. It also goes towards my step count of the day. So gives a different feeling of walking outside. All right.
ECPI University.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go. Stand tall and circle both arms in a smooth, steady rhythm. Keeps the upper body active and supports healthy circulation. Improves shoulder mobility while easing stiffness. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 15.
That's another
Side
one,
leg reach.
That's the leg. I'm gonna try it.
3, 2,
It has no.
1, go. Cross your arms, bend your knees softly, lean to one side, straighten one leg, then switch sides. Engages the waist and core to support calorie burn.
A lot of the workouts I
Improves flexibility
has
while strengthening
a
balance.
preview with the next step, so that's what I was on a moment ago trying to figure out if I can figure out how to do the movement.
3,
There's some right here. I
2,
can tell you, my
1,
knees. I feel like the Tin Man.
Exercise 16. Squat side reach. 3, 2, 1, go. Lower into a wide squat. Reach one arm overhead. Lean to the side, then switch sides. Activates the legs, hips, and core together.
She's smiling.
Supports belly fat burning
But
while
my legs
improving
are burning.
side body flexibility.
And I know I'm not low, but this is my
3,
version of a squat. 'Cause
2,
this is how low
1,
I can go.
rest.
And the
Exercise
way
17.
You can go maybe different.
Cross step,
Oh,
arm sweep.
maybe more, maybe less. It's okay.
3,
We're still
2,
moving.
1, go. Cross one foot behind the other while sweeping both arms across your body. Switch sides and continue. Keeps the whole body moving and supports steady calorie burn. Improves coordination while enhancing balance. Three, 2, 1, rest. Exercise 18. Alternating
Back
arm
to that
swing.
movement with the knees. My
3,
knees out.
2, 1,
Okay.
go. Stand tall with both feet steady. Swing one arm up while the other swings back. Then switch sides smoothly. Keeps the whole body moving and supports steady calorie burn. Improves shoulder mobility, posture, and balance. Three, 2,
Feel it in my back.
1,
So
rest.
and my arms are still working.
Exercise 19. Arm swing, waist twist. 3,
Make sure my feet's in
2,
the right position.
1, go. Swing both arms naturally as you gently twist your waist from side to side. Keep the movement smooth and relaxed. Keeps the waist and core active while supporting steady calorie burn. Improves spinal mobility, coordination, and whole body flexibility. Three, 2, 1, rest. Fantastic work today. Every gentle
We
movement
did it.
brings
It's
you
a quick
one step
workout.
closer to a
I gotta
stronger,
eat.
healthier
Now it's
body.
time to finish
Keep
getting ready for the
practicing,
day.
stay consistent, and I'll see
I
you
made it,
next time
and you
you
can
work
too.
out.